Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Hopefully you will be greatly blessed with health, and today's our topic is 3 pieces of gold, and it's the fourth lecture of this topic. And in today's our activity is word sentences. First, for doing the word sentences, we should have to first know the meaning of the words. Believe, having the faith, having the trust, यानी कि यकीन करना, भरोसा करना. Proudly, फखर से, doing something with the considering yourself with superior to others. Snatch mean get the something and catch the something with unethical ways. Sometimes its meaning is used in this way, and sometimes its meaning used in get. Earned mean kamana या kamaya. It's a second form. So we can say that to get the something or take the something with the help of hard work. With hard work, and it may be our respect in the society, and it may be a wealth. It may be another thing. Walked away means दूर चले जाना, move away sometime. Like in the story we came to know that the son just smiled and walked away. Tomorrow, the coming day, यानी कि आने वाला कल. Here we have the sentences of the some words. One by one we see. Like point number 1, believe. I strongly believe in abilities. My abilities, we can say that I strongly believe in oneness of Allah Almighty. I strongly believe that I can get the first position if I work hard in the exams. Point number 2, proudly. He says proudly that he is an honest and diligent student. मैं फ़ख्र से ये बात कह सकता हूँ कि वो ये फ़ख्र से कहता है कि वो एक ईमानदार और मेहनती स्टूडेंट है. डिलीजेंट मीन हार्ड वर्किंग, यानी कि मेहनती. स्नैच, वी शुड नॉट स्नैच थिंग फ्राम अदर्स. हमें दूसरों से चीज़ नहीं छीननी चाहिए. समटाइम्स से दैट पाकिस्तान स्नैच द victory from the India. We can say that in this way also. My father earned a lot of respect in the society. मेरे वालिद साहब ने बहुत ज़्यादा माशरे में, सोसाइटी में इज़्ज़त कमाई हासिल की है. We can also use for this word for wealth and other things. Walked away and tomorrow. You can make its sentences by your own self. Like we say that we should not tell a lie. We should avoid from telling away, and we should walked away from the bad deeds. हमें बुरे कामों से दूर चले जाना चाहिए. And the last one, we can say that in a proverb way, tomorrow never comes. यानी कुछ लोग, and never postpone your work tomorrow if you can do it today. अपना काम कल पर मत छोड़ें. And here we have the some book activities of page number 60 and 61. A boy, a school, a mobile, a teacher, a university, an apple, an MA, English, an umbrella, an honest man. We can see that here the word a, and is used when a and n क्या है, articles हैं. These are the articles. is used when there is consonant sounds of the words at the beginning. यानी कि जब हम कोई वर्ड देखते हैं उसके अगर बिगिनिंग में, आगाज़ में consonant sounds हैं, then it will be, and then there will be the use of a. जैसे a boy, a school, a mobile, a teacher, a university. अगर हम देखते हैं कि वर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी है, इसके आगाज़ में यू है, तो अगर लेकिन यहाँ पर बट देर इज़ नो वाउल साउंड्स हेयर, बट हेयर वी कैन सी दैट, ऑब्जर्व दैट देर इज़ नो वाउल साउंड्स, यानी कि अलिफ की या अलिफ मद्दा की आवाज़ यहाँ पर नहीं है. इन अ सिंपल वे वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड इन दिस वे. एन एप्पल, एन एम एन umbrella and honest. In these two words, a mean hem, alif की आवाज़ sound है इधर, so we can use an here, and honest, h is silent here and here is the sound honest, that's why an is used with this word. I hope it will be clear. Okay, next move to the next part, articles. There are 3 articles, 2 indefinite and 1 definite. 2 indefinite articles कौन से हैं? A और N. और definite articles कौन से हैं? The. Let's see indefinite articles. N is used before words starting with the vowel sound. Like we see an apple, an English, an umbrella, and an pen. A is used before words starting with consonant sounds, like a boy, a school, a mobile, a teacher, a university. The definite article the. The definite article the is used to point out or refer to a specific person, place, or thing. The point is here that if you are reading a paragraph, if a thing that is mentioned earlier and maybe the name of that person, thing, or place is mentioned earlier, then the word the will be used with the common noun. यानी कि जब हम उस चीज़ को पहले पढ़ चुके हों, ये किसी पर्सन का, प्लेस का, ये थिंग का पहले नाम ज़िक्र हो चुका हो, उसके बाद हम उसके लिए कोई आम सा वर्ड जैसे द बॉय पुट द मनी ऑन द टेबल, इसका मतलब है कि दोनों, अगर कोई एक पर्सन ने दूसरे पर्सन को कहा है पुट द मनी ऑन द टेबल, पैसे टेबल पर रखते, इसका मतलब कि दोनों के जहन में एक ख़ास टेबल की बात हो रही है. द सन इज़ वेरी ब्राइट इन समर. हम जिस चीज़ की बात कर रहे हैं सन है, और सन कायनात में कितने हैं? इन द यूनिवर्स द सन देर इज़ ओनली वन सन, दैट्स व्हाई द विल बी यूज हियर. सन इज़ द स्टार. द पंच इज़ नॉट वर्किंग. इट मीन्स कि पर्टिकुलर या स्पेसिफिक पंच मशीन की बात हो रही है, दैट्स व्हाई द जो वर्ड है द यहाँ पर यूज़ हो रहा है. Complete the following sentences. Pakistan, if there is a vowel sounds at the beginning, then we will use the an. Pakistan is an Islamic republic. Lahore is an industrial city. Islamabad is a capital city. Silver is an element. An orange is a fruit. Here we can see that 2 words, 3 words, Islamic, industrial, element. In these 3 words we can see that we can observe that vowel sounds at the beginning, that's why n will be used with these sentences. Let's see the solution. Pakistan is an Islamic republic. Lahore is an industrial city. Islamabad is a capital city. Silver is an element and orange is a fruit. In the point number 3, third one and the last one, we can see that there is a consonant sounds at the beginning, that's why a will be used with these words. Okay, next activity is use a and the appropriately to fill in the blanks given below. Here we have the sentences. A generator is used to produce electricity. अब जिस जनरेटर की बात हो रही है, अगर हम उसका नेक्स्ट जिक्र करेंगे, then the will be used here. A generator is used to produce electricity. The generator in our backyard, यानी कि एक खास जनरेटर की बात हो रही है जो कहाँ पे है, बैकयार्ड में. is also used to produce electricity. It once was not a popular tool. एक वक्त था कि ये एक पॉपुलर टूल नहीं था, but is now one of the major tools used in industry to produce electricity. Here is a solution. A generator is used, यानी कि पहले हम यहाँ पे बात कर रहे हैं कॉमन की बात कर रहे हैं, और सेकंड सेंटेंस में हम वर्ड तो जनरेटर है, लेकिन यहाँ पर जो बात हो रही है हाफ जनरेटर की बात हो रही है, जो दैट इज़ इन द बैकयार्ड. इट वंस was not a popular. अब जो यहाँ पर जो ए है उसका ताल्लुक़ क्या है इस जनरेटर से. it once was not a popular tool but is now one of the major tools used in industry to produce electricity. Dear students, this is the today's work and you have to do it carefully and properly. If you have the problem, then you can ask me by commenting in the Google Classroom, and take care of yourself and your loved one. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.